Welcome to Setting Up a Test Environment tutorial. The purpose of this tutorial is to demonstrate how anyone can set up two virtual machines and test various networking tools safely and legally. If anything were to go wrong with the virtual system, it can simply be deleted and installed again without causing any damage to your own system. In this demonstration we will be using SunVM to create the virtual machines. The operating system can be installed from an ISO image. We will be using Linux as the operating system, but any OS can be used. Any OS CD can be converted to ISO, using software such as CD Burner XP. To download the SunVM software, simply go to Google and type SunVM. Then click the link for Oracle VM VirtualBox. This will take you to virtualbox.org. Click the Downloads link and download the latest version for your operating system. In this demo we will be using the Windows version. Allow the file to download. When finished, download the extensions pack also. The extension pack allows other peripherals such as USB devices to be used on the virtual machine. The VirtualBox setup file has been downloaded to the desktop. To begin the install, double-click it. The VirtualBox setup wizard will begin. Use the default locations for the install. The software warns that the network connection will be temporarily reset during the install. Click Yes to continue. Then click Install. Allow the installation to run. A warning may appear as drivers are installed. Continue with this install. When the install is complete, click Finish. The VirtualBox Manager will start. Now double-click the extensions pack which was downloaded earlier. Scroll down and read the license agreement, then click I agree. A message will appear when installed successfully. Now we are ready to set up a virtual machine. Click on the new icon. Select the name for the virtual machine, and select the type of operating system it will be running. In this demonstration we will use DS Linux. Now click Next. Select the amount of RAM the VM will use. Be sure that it is within the minimum amount used by the operating system and it is not over the total amount of RAM on your base system. For DS Linux 128 MB is enough. Now to create the hard drive for the VM. Select the option Create a virtual hard drive now. Then click Create. Then select the hard drive type as VDI virtual disk image. Then click Next. Set the disk as fixed size. Then click Next. Select the size of the virtual hard disk. Again, ensure this is enough for the OS being installed, but not over the size of your computer's hard disk. For DS Linux 4 GB is enough. Now click Create. The software will now create the virtual hard disk. When complete, the virtual machine will appear in the list, and will be shown as powered off. In the Settings area, click General. This is the area where all the settings can be adjusted for the VM. Click on Storage. In the Controller IDE section, click on the virtual CD drive. Click the CD icon in the Attributes area. Click the option to choose a virtual CD DVD disk file. Browse to the area on your computer where your ISO file is stored. Follow the installation instructions for the operating system, and install as you would on a normal computer. When complete, right-click on the virtual machine and select Clone. Select the name for the clone and ensure the option to reinitialize the MAC address is selected. Click Next. Select the Link Clone option. Then click Clone. You now have two virtual machines to work with. When both systems are started, they will act as if connected on the same network, and the operator can experiment in safety with any networking tool they wish to use. Use the network options to ensure the MAC addresses are different on each VM, as this will allow them to work as networked systems. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please feel free to leave comments and ask questions. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.